Accepted coconuts feed into a mechanical dehusking system, where serrated rollers tear off coarse brown coir fibers from each shell. Continued. Removed testa flows into a secondary byproduct chute, destined for feed ingredient or compost. Clean coconut flesh enters a washing channel where filtered water removes dirt and microbial load before food-grade processing.
Chunks feed into high-speed shredding drums, where rotating knives convert coconut flesh into fine ribbons, ideal for pressing.
Fresh coconut milk flows through enclosed stainless pipelines toward coarse filtration, while pressed dry fiber falls toward flour drying equipment. Filtered milk collects in a balance tank, where liquid levels stabilize to maintain constant downstream flow.
Milk passes through a plate heat exchanger to under-pasteurization, eliminating microbial activity and extending shelf life.
Immediately after pasteurization, chilled water circuits cool the coconut milk to preserve aroma, fatty structure, and whiteness. Cooled coconut milk flows into a homogenizer, where pressure breaks fat globules into micro-sized droplets, preventing cream separation.
Homogenized milk travels through polishing filters that remove micro-sediment and guarantee smooth final texture.
Capping units screw or press tamper-proof closures onto each filled container, sealing product freshness. Processing. Cartons advance to a palletizer, which stacks layers into stable pallets suited for cold chain logistics.
Stretch wrap film secures each pallet for vibration-resistant trucking.
Semi-clarified oil passes through mechanical filtration screens, removing fiber residues.
To prevent oxidation, oil passes into a chilling exchanger, which rapidly lowers temperature.
Polishing centrifuges rotate at high speed to expel micro-impurities and enhance clarity.
Purified oil collects inside nitrogen-blanketed holding tanks, where oxygen is excluded to delay rancidity.
Oil passes through a final 5-micron polishing filter before packaging.
Shrink wrapping secures pallet columns and stabilizes loads during maritime transit.
The lauric acid profile looks good, well within the compliance limits. The peroxide value is also stable.
Agreed. Releasing the lot now.
Vacuum extraction pulls chilled coconut water into stainless chilled pipelines without air exposure. Microfiltration removes suspended solids, creating clear beverage-grade coconut water. UV sterilization chambers inactivate microbial cells while maintaining raw water flavor.